Okay.
It's a Regina clock made by Regina factory. Okay, make for it's a clock for what name of this? It's как будет Regina clock for
Regina moon dial musical 9 tube.
yes, but it's not it's make for special office in government's office in a consulate for consulate office.
Okay.
You can show them the movement.
Yeah, do you want to start it? I'm recording it.
Yeah, okay. It's a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's 10 tube,
Okay.
4 weights, time and strike, and every 15 minutes clock plays different anthems because it's made for consulate office overseas. Okay, from what I know, they make 7 clocks like that. Okay, and it's placed on tape. Okay, different tapes, or you can put them together. Okay, and it plays different melodies, and melodies, it's anthems on different places. You can see it here.
Okay.
Okay, and I don't know if this is wound. No. It's not wound. I have to get John to wind this. Okay, so it's a very, very unusual clock.
Okay.
Okay, from what I know, it's only 7 made.
Okay.
Okay, if they want more information, we're gonna wind this up and play it, you know, if they serious about.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay.